See here, the another important thing. Here, among these 9 terms of concentrations or 9 methods to express the concentrations, some are temperature dependent and some are temperature independent. అంటే కొన్ని టెంపరేచర్ పెరిగితే మారుతాయి, తగ్గినా పెరిగినా. కొన్ని టెంపరేచర్ తగ్గినా పెరిగినా మారవు. ఓకే, సో అలాంటి మెథడ్స్ ఏంటో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? హియర్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఈస్ the among the weight and volume. Okay, among the weight and volume get altered with the temperature. Is it clear? So note this point, volume get altered. Okay, volume changes with change in temperature. With change in temperature. This is very, very important. Change in temperature. Volume changes with change in temperature. Okay. Next, another important point, weight does not change with change in temperature. With change in temperature. Okay, volume changes with change in temperature. Weight does not change with change in temperature. Okay, now let us see how to recognize the methods of concentrations altered by the change in temperature. So we have to consider the method in which where the volume is. Okay, ఏ మెథడ్ లో అయితే వాల్యూమ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్మెంట్ ఉందో ఆ మెథడ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా టెంపరేచర్ తో పాటు చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, ఏ మెథడ్ లో అయితే వాల్యూమ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి ఉందో ఆ మెథడ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా టెంపరేచర్ తో చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, టెంపరేచర్ తో పాటు చేంజ్ అయ్యేటటువంటి మెథడ్స్ ని మనం ఫస్ట్ రికగ్నైజ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఎక్కడెక్కడ వాల్యూమ్ ఉంటే అదంతా కూడా టెంపరేచర్ తో చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో టెంపరేచర్ తో చేంజ్ అయ్యే మెథడ్ ని మనం టెంపరేచర్ డిపెండెంట్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ లెట్ us see weight to volume percent is temperature dependent. Weight to volume percent is temperature dependent, being volume is there. Volume to volume percent is also temperature dependent. Temperature dependent, being volume is there. Okay, next molarity, being it has represented in liters, that means it also included the value, then it is also temperature dependent. TMP means temperature here. Okay, molarity, there is no value term. Okay, normality, let us see normality. Here also liters. Liters includes volume, so it is also temperature dependent. Temperature dependent. Okay, so these are mole fraction. Let us see mole fraction. Here mole fraction means you have to consider it as separate case. It has need more explanation, but it is also temperature dependent. Temperature dependent. Temperature independent. Mole fraction is temperature independent. It is not temperature dependent. Okay. So now let us see which are temperature independence. Here, temperature independence means where there is no volume in the method. ఈ మెథడ్స్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ కాన్సంట్రేషన్ లో వాల్యూమ్ అనేది ఎక్కడైతే ఉండదో అవన్నీ కూడా టెంపరేచర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ అన్నమాట. టెంపరేచర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్. వాట్ ఈస్ హియర్ weight percent. There is no question of volume, so it is temperature independent. Molarity, temperature independent. Being there is no involvement of volume. Here we have represented moles per kg. Okay. Here these are also parts per million and parts per billion. These are also temperature independent. Okay. So let us recognize how many of these are temperature independent. Okay. Here weight percent is temperature independent. Okay. And molarity is temperature independent. And mole fraction is temperature independent. Okay. Parts per million and parts per billion are temperature independent. Okay. Here mole fraction also has no units. Keep in mind, mole fraction also has no units. So this is about the fundamentals of methods to express concentrations. The fundamentals of methods to express concentrations. Okay. How one can decide the temperature dependency and independency means based on volume and weight. Okay. Volume changes with change in temperature. So the concentration methods who depends on volume will change with temperature. Okay. So weight does not change with change in temperature. So where weight only is there, that method is temperature independent. Is it clear? Thank you.